What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, we're doing a really cool unboxing of something brand new that Hot Wheels has never done before. I'm really kind of interested to see how this looks and how it goes. But before we get into the unboxing, I do want to show you guys, I am doing a giveaway right now on my merch store. So there's going to be a link in the description down below. Hop on there. I'm giving away this Lego Fast and Furious Nissan Skyline GTR R34 and even has a little Paul Walker minifigure. This I'm giving away completely for free on my merch store. All you have to do is hop on, make a purchase, and for every $5 you spend, you get another entry into this giveaway. It's from April 1st to April 30th, so definitely go check it out. You don't want to miss out on this free giveaway. But let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. And this right here is the case. It's obviously a kind of odd case. You guys can probably kind of see already on there, but boom, we got that right there. We have a Hot Wheel Magic 8-Ball. So let's go ahead and cut this thing open and check this thing out. I know it did just come out, and I'm a little kind of curious to see what this is going to be like. I honestly have no idea what to expect, so I'm just kind of jumping straight into it, but you kind of tilt it down so you guys can kind of see what's going on here. And got a bunch of tissue paper. So I guess we'll just kind of, I don't know, maybe try to shake out. It feels like there is an inner box wrapped in tissue paper. There we go. Alright, the tissue paper kind of came up, I guess, when they were putting it in, so didn't really go as planned, but whatever. Let's toss that aside. There's nothing left in that box. Let's go ahead and set that aside. But what we have here is actually a really, really nice box. Look at the design on that. It's like a, there's little gloss black triangles, and the matte black kind of gives it that cool little pattern. I think that looks really cool. The top looks really cool as well. Hot Wheel figure 8, and then even have the little figure 8 or the little 8-ball in the stand. So this is a really cool box design. That's the bottom if you were curious. And I think they did an amazing job with this. Let's go ahead and cut the seal right here. There we go. Kind of want to be careful with it because I actually want to collect this. I only got one, so I do not have any of these available on my merch store. I just got this one to collect. So we will see kind of what this looks like. All right, let's see if I can kind of, there we go. All right. You have a little, I guess, certificate of authenticity. So that's pretty cool. And I guess I'll just kind of do the same thing I did before, just kind of slide it out. Alright. Let me turn it up on its side so you guys can kind of see it a lot better. And there we go. And this right here is the Magic 8-Ball, and it's still in all the plastic and everything. So let's go ahead and actually I'm going to do it like this. Oh, they got this taped shut as well. There we go. Alrighty. And it almost looks like a little person. So it's like a little person, and the 8-ball is like the head. So let's go ahead and raise this up out of there. Set that down, and kind of set this plastic aside. And I guess let's take the 8-ball off and just kind of pull the plastic off of it. And let's check this out first. So obviously there's the 8-ball with the little thing inside that tells you your fortune. And then when you kind of see it on the side, you have that 68 there and another 68. And you kind of realize this looks like almost like a motorcycle or kind of like a Formula One helmet. So that's really cool. So it does look like a head, and this base actually looks like a little body. So you got, looks like the little, like, not a handkerchief, maybe like the strings of like a hoodie. You got the little arms right here on either side, and they actually kind of look like they might move, or maybe not. Maybe it's just kind of like where they popped in. So those do look like little arms. You got the little legs right here, and it's kind of a weird shape, but that's the back side of it. You got the 8 for the 8-ball. But on fire since 1968 going across right there. You have the little piston with the Hot Wheel logo kind of sitting in the base. I think this is pretty interesting. So that's what the 68 is, obviously. You got the 68 there. Got it on either side. And then obviously the 8-ball. And even has a little treasure hunt logo there on the piston, so that's kind of cool too. But yeah, so this is like a little person, and I guess the black base here is almost like the hood of a hoodie. And I guess we just set the 8-ball right inside of that, and kind of looks like a little person there. I think that actually looks kind of cool. So obviously it looks like a little race car driver. Actually, yeah, I really do like the way this looks. That is really cool. This is like a really nice kind of matte paint, like a nice finish. It doesn't feel like there's any raised designs on it, so I think it looks really cool. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of that. But let's kind of just do like a little test, kind of mix it up here, and let's see. Are you guys going to hit the subscribe button? Let's see. Oh, ask again later. Okay. Yeah, if you guys do like this video, definitely hit that like and subscribe buttons. But obviously, it is like I said, it is a magic 8-ball. And whenever you kind of turn it up flat, you guys can kind of see it there. Every time I try to turn it towards the camera, it turns a little thing inside. So it kind of needs to be more flat. You guys kind of see it right there. So this is really cool. Like I said, it is a like legitimate magic 8-ball, but obviously a Hot Wheel theme. And this is a really cool collector piece. I don't know if they're going to be like a limited run or if it's just kind of like a new thing that they just kind of have. I do know they have like a bunch of other themes. They have like a Barbie. Gosh, I'm trying to remember the other ones. There's like a whole bunch, like 10 different ones, I think. And they're all themed differently. So I think it is really cool. But let me know what you guys think of this. And did you guys pick one up on Mattel Creations when they came out? I believe that they're still available. So in the meantime, I'm just going to have this one, collect it, maybe kind of put it up on a shelf. Maybe I'll put some floating shelves here in the backdrop and kind of change like the whole angle of this whole setup. But yeah, if you guys did like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Also, don't forget, link in the description down below. Go check out my merch store. Automatically get entered into this giveaway. Also, I do have some new cards on there, some new RLC cards that just came out that are already available, so definitely go check those out. But if you guys like the video, like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.